Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to adjust filters in Photoshop. So to start with this, we are actually going to make our grid. So we're going to crop a photo into a 3x3 with a 300 resolution. So first you go up to the crop tool, which is the fifth tool on the left-hand side. Then you are going to go up to the very top where it says ratio right now. You're going to switch that so it says W times H times resolution. Now you click enter 3 by 300. And that is the resolution that you want to do. You can adjust your photo to where you would like it to be. And then you can either double click on the image or you can hit the check mark in the upper corner or in the toolbox in the top. I'm going to check that. Okay. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to copy this image. So I'm going to go Command A to select it all, Command C to copy it. Then you want to make sure you're on your Move tool, which is the first tool on the left-hand side. The next thing I'm going to do is go and I'm going to create a new document. So I'm going to go File, New. And once it opens, the first thing to fix is going to be, you want it to be in inches. Let's see, it's loading very slowly. So I'm going to change this to inches. I'm going to call this Maligne 9 filters. And then I'm going to go 9 inches by 9 inches to 300. So this new grid, or this new document, we are going to set up into a grid. So we're going to go up here to the very top where it says View, New Guide. I'm going to go 3 vertical, New Guide, 6 vertical, View, New Guide, 3 horizontal, View, New Guide, 6 horizontal. So now you have, your board should look like a tic-tac-toe. First thing you're going to do is you're going to paste your image that you cropped into a 3x3. You're going to paste it in here and you're going to paste it 9 times. I'm going to paste it the first time and then I'm going to move it up to the corner, paste again, paste again. So all I'm doing is creating the image 9 times and putting them on separate boards or separate parts of the board. So now I have all of my images are on a separate spot. I'm going to go up to my first layer. So actually first, under the Move tool, you want to make sure it is auto-selected. So I'm going to click on my first photo. Okay, and so it selects layer 1. I'm going to go to Image Mode, and I want to make sure it's on 8-bit channel. So I need to switch that real quick. So 8-bit channel. Okay, so now with my first layer selected, I'm going to go up to Filter, and I'm going to hit Filter Gallery. Now this is going to show up with a lot of different filters over here. So I'm going to pick one of the filters. I can adjust what it is doing here. Oops. And then once I get it the way I want it, I can just hit OK. So that's going to adjust that first photo. Now I'm going to select the second one, go here. It's important that you don't click the first filter gallery because what that does is that just repeats whatever was done before. You want to go to the second filter gallery. That way you can actually adjust it. Pull my image by just clicking, dragging. And I'm going to find something else that I like. So I like this one, which is the water paper. We can adjust as desired and then hit OK. Click on the next layer, filter, second filter gallery again. Maybe I'll add a texture. Okay. And I'm just moving along each time, checking out my different options. Patchwork, moisturizer. One's kind of cool. Now I want you to find 9 images find 9 filters that you like with your image. So, and each image reacts a little bit different way. So it depends on the effect you want on your photo. So this will help you when you are doing your emotion project, because different filters will give it a different look, and it'll help to accentuate the emotion that you're going for. This one looks almost a little cartoonish. That one's probably my favorite one so far, actually. Okay, so two more here. Filter gallery. Oh, that's cool. Let's do that one. Okay. So these are the different ones that I picked. Now, in my photograph, I was thinking of doing like a looking to the future, looking for like hope, looking up to maybe kind of that emotion. So for that, I think that one of these is actually probably where I'll go with one of these two. Now, if I was looking for something a little bit more, so this is a little bit more cartoonish, but I don't like the way that the neck totally disappears. This one's super dark. So if I was going for a darker emotion, I would do probably this one. So it just helps you to get to accentuate the different emotions a little bit. And also it helps to capture some of the nuances of that emotion. Now, this is just an option for you. It's something to have in your toolbox for what you could do to help portray your emotion that you have chosen. But to finish this project now, I'm going to go up here to the top. I'm going to go File, Save As. And it's already saved as a Photoshop file right here. It's saving to my pictures folder. Always check where it's saving. I'm going to hit save. Okay. And then I'm going to do it one more time. File, save as, and I'm going to save it as a JPEG.